This is a crawler-mounted mobile shredder designed for flexible and efficient on-site waste processing in complex working environments. Equipped with a heavy-duty tracked chassis, the machine can easily move across rough terrain such as demolition sites, landfills, and construction areas. Its mobility allows operators to bring the equipment directly to the waste source, eliminating transportation costs and improving recycling efficiency. In this test, the machine is processing a two-wheeled electric vehicle, demonstrating its strong shredding capacity on mixed and tough materials. The solid frame, metal components, and composite parts are all effectively reduced into smaller pieces for further separation and recycling. The system is built with a powerful shredding chamber, hydraulic feeding structure, and crawler-driven undercarriage, ensuring stable operation even under heavy load conditions. It is widely used for construction waste, bulky scrap, e-waste, wood, plastics, and other mixed materials. If you are interested in a mobile shredding solution for your recycling project, feel free to contact us for more details or customized solutions.